Hello guys, let's explore how NIO's $200 million annual free battery swap program is reshaping its growth strategy and financial outlook. So let's dive into an intriguing topic today, an in-depth analysis of how much NIO is spending on free battery swaps. This comes from an article here in China, which is the first of its kind to attempt such a calculation. Spoiler alert, the costs are substantial. Before we delve into that, though, let's touch on something briefly. NIO stock has printed a bullish MACD cross. For those who follow technical analysis, this could indicate a buy signal on the daily MACD chart. While these signals can sometimes be misleading, they often hint at potential trend shifts. If you're interested, do your own research into moving average convergence-divergence MACD and its implications. Now, back to the article. It's quite detailed, and after reading through it, the calculations seem convincing. According to the report, NIO spends approximately 1.2 billion RMB annually, roughly $200 million, on providing free battery swaps. The piece outlines the timeline of this offering, the number of vehicles involved, and the cost structure, all of which are well researched. During the initial years of NIO's operations, customers received either 4, 6, or unlimited free swaps per month, depending on the terms of their purchase. These perks were primarily offered to vehicles purchased before mid-2023. On top of this, many customers were eligible for other benefits, such as free charging allowances in certain regions. The article's calculations suggest that these free swaps cost NIO roughly $200 million annually. This strategy is reminiscent of Tesla's early approach when it offered free supercharging to attract customers. While this undoubtedly burns cash, it also helps build a loyal customer base, which is critical for long-term growth. However, NIO's situation is distinct from Tesla's. Tesla, now a much larger and profitable company, could sustain such perks. NIO, still in its growth phase, isn't yet profitable. These annual costs weigh heavily on the profitability of NIO's swap station network. As a result, NIO has phased out free swaps for new buyers entirely. Even premium models like the ET9, priced at 800k RMB, no longer include this benefit. This marks a clear shift in NIO's strategy as it matures. For existing owners, the free swap privilege remains transferable to their next NIO vehicle, provided they purchase it within a year of selling their current car. Such benefits are excellent for customer retention, encouraging long-term brand loyalty. Tesla has also employed similar strategies, occasionally allowing unlimited supercharging to transfer between vehicles during promotional periods. Now, let's consider the financial implications of this. Free swaps undoubtedly impact the profitability of individual swap stations. NIO CEO has addressed this, stating that it takes around 60 swaps per day for a station to break even. This figure includes both free and paid swaps. In reality, fewer paid swaps are required for profitability since the company bears only electricity costs for free swaps. The break-even point could be as low as 30 or 40 paid swaps per day. While the $200 million annual cost might seem high, it's manageable within the broader context of NIO's financial strategy. Yes, swap station infrastructure and the free electricity provided to users add to the overall expense, but these measures were instrumental in NIO's early growth. By offering these perks, NIO attracted many early adopters, helping it gain a foothold in the competitive EV market. Looking ahead, it's worth noting that many first-generation NIO owners are eagerly awaiting the third-generation models. Some feel that the second-generation vehicles don't offer significant improvements over the first, which might be why many are holding out for Gen 3. When these models are released, we can expect a surge in sales, especially among loyal NIO customers who value the brand's privileges, such as the free swap program. In summary, while the cost of free battery swaps is significant, it isn't an overwhelming burden for NIO. The company seems to have factored these expenses into its broader growth strategy. Over time, as NIO phases out these perks for new customers and achieves greater economies of scale, the financial impact should lessen. For now, the $200 million annual cost for free swaps remains a calculated expense, one that aligns with NIO's long-term vision. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next